What's up guys, it's R Prime here, and today we're doing an unboxing. So I got these four cubes right here. So basically, you've already seen these two on my channel. I just figured it'd make more sense if I reboxed them and did a 4x4 through 7x7 video. Holy cow, those pieces are tiny. So let's get into it and start with, make sure these are there. We can start with a 4x4. So once you open up this 4x4, it's that, by the way. This is pretty much what you'll get. It's pretty good, actually, for my first ever. I don't know. We'll finish that later. So I'll rate it, this cube, maybe 5, 6, 7 out of 10. It's pretty good, but corner cutting kind of sucks. So, which I guess you're not really built to corner cut on a 5x5 or a 4x4, let alone a 7x7. So basically now we got this one. I personally, from what I've already felt, would rate this one a good 8. I'd rate the other one 8 actually. I'll rate this one an 8 out of 10 because it's pretty smooth. Can't corner cut, so if it's slightly misaligned, you won't be able to turn down. So if you have it like that, you won't be able to turn. I've not had a pop on it yet though. None of my cubes I've had a pop on except for this one, which was designed to pop. But now let's get into the two cubes I don't or have not opened up yet, actually. So let's first do these 6x6. So let's pop this open. Holy cow, what is this made out of? Oh, it's taped. I was about to say, what is this thing made out of? It's the only sharp thing I got here. Yeah, there we go. Oh my gosh, yes, fancy wrapping. Yes, I love it when they do fancy wrapping. Just open this up. Oh my god, those pieces are... Oh, it's a little bit stiff out of the box. Oh my god, there's so many pieces. It's a quick pattern. I rate this one I don't know what I'd rate this one. Smiley face. I'd rate this one, let's see. Turns pretty fast. It's loosened up, so that's nice. I'd probably a 7, yeah. In comparison to my 5x5, it's stiff. But granted, it is a bigger cube and it's even number. Holy cow, it's tight. But yeah, on to the 7x7. Let's clear up my workspace here. All right. I'm really excited for this one. Oh yeah, I gotta... Oh yes. Does that 4x4 instructions? Ain't no way they gave me 4x4 instructions. No, they gave me freaking 5x5 instructions. That's 5x5 instructions. Oh no, it's 7x7 instructions. Wait, then why is that a 5x5? Wait, I'm confused. Anyways, because it shows 4x4 and then 5x5, then 7x7. Make up your mind. Holy cow, that's a big cube. So I'll put those back in their boxes. Alright, so we got the cube. Let's open this thing up. Dude, these pieces are microscopic. How do people solve these? Oh my god. Oh, let's do checkerboard on this one. This is actually a very easy to hold cube. Oh, checkerboard, yeah. It's very easy to hold. Oh, it's so smooth. Actually, I think it's smoother than my... No, the other one's pretty smooth still. These are pretty good. I can now say I have a 7x7. Whoa, that last layer is a little swift there. Bam, 7x7. Man, I'm still shocked at the fact that they make big cubes like this. But basically, I rate it a solid 7 to 8 out of 10. So it's pretty good. And that's pretty much it for the unboxing. You're back here with R Prime. So you got these 6x6 through 4x4 here. Thanks for watching. I'm just open this because most people are going to be annoyed if I don't. What? I'll solve this later. That's annoying. But basically, thanks for watching.